what just arrived. New front splitter. Here we go. So we went with the V style front splitter. Look at this lip. Super aggressive. Really sharp body lines right there. It's gonna look so good when I put it on later. Super aggro. As you can see here, really nice, clean carbon weave. Flawless. And it also came with some 3M tape and some screws, and they already piloted holes for us to screw into the bumper. So that's nice. But like I said, we'll be putting this on later today. Can't wait to see it on. Here's a little quick test fit with the skateboard that I use. Sorry for a dirty car. But damn, that's gonna look sick. And it lines up perfectly with the bumper. So it's the next day. I just finished putting on the front splitter. The fitment is fucking perfect. Look at that. Lines up perfectly with the lines of the bumper. So I used the 3M tape, put that on the splitter, and then lined it up with the bumper before using the self-tapping screws that came with it. I put some pressure on it, it's not going anywhere. So I'm not currently at my apartment right now in Orlando with all my tools and floor jacks. So I had to improvise and use this kit. And I basically just put my arm underneath and screwed in each screw by hand. It's a pain in the ass, but it worked out. Give you some better angles. Overall, I think it looks super good. I also want to give you guys an update on what we're doing next. As you can see here, that wheel gap has to go. And also the PPF and tint place took off my wrap reflector, so I have to get some more vinyl or even order the I&D ones. I'm not sure yet. But look what is here. KW Hasket. So I'm going back to Orlando next week, and I'm probably gonna go to my local shop and to have them install it. And I'll definitely film the whole process. Can't wait to lower it. Not sure how much clearance I'm gonna have because of the front lip that I just got. This front splitter is already low, makes the car a little lower. So I'm definitely gonna have to find like a medium point between ride height and slamming it, because I don't wanna ruin this front splitter, and I also don't want to be a monster truck, so we'll figure it out. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the windshield that was tinted 35%, it keeps out so much heat, and it's been a lot cooler this past week, which is awesome. Alright, so we just got to this photo spot. I'm gonna show off the new lip. Damn, it looks so good. that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys leave a comment, subscribe, hit that like button. Today's Tuesday, and tomorrow my new spoiler should be arriving, little high kick PSM style. So I can't wait to put that on and show you guys. It's gonna transform the whole car. And as I posted earlier in this video, I have these that I still need to install. I'll be going back to Orlando next week, so I already have an appointment next Tuesday with WTF Motorsports. Shout out Curtis, shout out Josh, shout out Danny. And we're gonna be putting these on with him, and I'll be sure to film the whole process. Here's another look at the front windshield tint. Look how dark that is. That 35% all around was definitely the move. It's not too dark, but it's also not too light. So I think it's perfect. But again, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace out.